How to get Disney Plus for free. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to get Disney Plus subscription for free. So first of all, just simply open your Disney Plus app. Just make sure that you have downloaded the application in your mobile device, and once you have the application downloaded, and you will be able to see this kind of interface which will ask you to continue while logging into your account and making the payment for the subscription. But if you want to get it for free, just simply open your browser, any browser of your choice. I'm using Chrome. And after that, on the search bar, just simply search for www.babycoupons.com, and you will be able to see these results. Just simply click on the first link that you will see on the top. And over here, when you will scroll down, you will be able to see the most common coupon codes right here. And the first option you will see is Disney Plus. And if you don't see it in the list, you can also go to the search bar, and over here just simply search for Disney Plus subscription or the coupon code, and after that just simply click on see more. These coupon codes are quite limited, so make sure that you're doing this process faster in order to get the coupon code and get the subscription for free. And after that just simply click on show coupon. As you can see that the coupon code is not fully visible. You have to unlock the coupon code. You have to unlock the coupon code in order to use it in your Disney Plus Hotstar app while logging into your account. So just simply click on unlock coupon, and it will complete the process till 100%. You have to wait for it. And as soon as it is done, it will redirect you to the page where you have to complete these steps in order to unlock the coupon code fully. I have already done it in my device, so you just have to follow these steps that has been written over your screen. And once you are done doing all these steps, your Disney Plus Hotstar free will be activated. So this is basically how you will be able to get or watch Disney Plus for free. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.